Networking 101 for IT Carlow first year networking students. As we can see, the network connection begins with our device and a normal RJ45 connection to the computer from the network point. The point indicates 209, corresponding to room 209.31. K indicates that K is the Dargan Centre. 2 is that it's on the first floor. A represents that it's patch panel A, and the unique point F20. As K indicates the Dargan building, if for instance it was another building, such as the Learning Resource Centre or LRC, that would be A. Or if it was the Wexford campus, that would be W. Comms room, Dargan building. Next we see the patch panel in the Dargan Centre. As we saw at the point where the computer is connected, it was point 209/31 and K2A F20. We are in the Dargan building comms room, which is K, on the first floor, which is 2, looking at patch panel A. And now we see point 20 in room 209. F is the patch panel number and the point 20. And next we come to the LRC, or Learning Resource Centre. And here is where we find the hub of the WAN or Wide Area Network for the IT Carlow infrastructure. And here we can see the SANs, or Storage Area Networks, which consist of the server farms that control management and maintenance of the storage area network. Next we see the connection from the Dargan Centre to the LRC. The Dargan Centre connection terminates to this point in the LRC, which is the fibre termination box. This is the physical and topological core of the IT Carlow network. It's a 24-core single mode connection, and here we can see the 24 fibre optic connections, and as we can see, 2 are currently in use. From the fibre termination box in the LRC, we now connect to the LRC switch, and here the subnet becomes part of the central network. It is a 10 gigabit connection to the Cisco 6509 switch, which also has routing capabilities. We can also see the Cisco ASA 5550 firewall, and this protects the network from various threats. This is the connection externally, and here are the individual connections from subnetworks within the main IT Carlow network. For example, the Wexford subnet. And if we unplug this connection, we would immediately terminate the Wexford campus's access to any folders and networks hosted by the main Carlow servers, as well as connectivity to other services, and internet would also be lost. Hence, the importance of marking of devices properly, so we know what everything does for security and is managed professionally. Because if the wrong device is plugged out, a multitude of information can be lost immediately.